In this video, I'll show you how to fix a Snapchat login problem today. If you're trying to log into your Snapchat account and getting different errors like C14A service unavailable, C08A something went wrong, please try again later, or any other related problem, then here's the real guide of how you can fix the problem. It's super easy, but before I start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to fix the problem, the very first thing that you have to do is simply go ahead and swipe down from the very top, and all you have to do is just to enable the airplane mode for, let's say, 10 to 20 seconds, and after that turn it back off. This will slightly restart the network system, and even you can switch your network Wi-Fi to mobile data, or if you're still using mobile data, then switch your device network to a stable Wi-Fi connection, and then simply go ahead and get back from here. Now go and press and hold the Snapchat application and then tap on app info. Now from the Snapchat app info, you just need to go ahead and tap on this clear data button at the bottom right, or even you can get the storage option. You can tap on this and you'll get the clear data option. You just need to tap on this and tap on clear cache, and then tap on clear cache, and you just need to tap on OK, and the app cache will be cleared, and you just need to get back from here. Now force close all the application from the background. Now simply go and open up the Play Store and then go ahead and search for a Snapchat here. And then go and tap on the Snapchat, and if you found any pending update, go and tap on this update button and update your Snapchat application to the very latest version. Now just get back from here and try log into your account again, and most likely your problem is going to be solved. Hope you find it super helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel, or if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section. I'll see you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.